There we go. Okay, so good morning, guys. I'm up. It's like, I don't know, 7. I should definitely be leaving right now, but I don't really care. I will still be on time to work. I just wanted to say good morning because I know that he's gonna record later. So I wanted to surprise him and he can edit this in to the video. I don't know. I'm up. This is the fit for the day. I don't know. I have everything all set. Kitty's right there. Hi, Kitty. My bag. You can't even see it because it's so dark, but I'm all packed and ready. Recording this video to start this little thing off, but I'm not gonna talk too much longer because I remember he said he doesn't have too much memory, so I think I'm gonna go now. But yeah, good morning, guys. Jack will continue this video. Bye. I love you, Jack.
Good morning, how's it going? So I heard that there was a little cameo from Bailey, but I haven't really seen it yet. I got a few plans for today. I'm gonna head back to my house, pick up some camera gear, and the actual DSLR that I have. I also have to unload a lot of the footage that's on this SD card because it's getting really fucking low. I think I have like 3 minutes of recording time left, so I'm just gonna try and make this pretty quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the house, I'm gonna get everything set up together, and I'm also gonna show you what I use in this backpack on a daily basis and why I always have it with me. So yeah. How's it going? I just got home. I'm on the DSLR now, so it's probably a lot better quality than the GoPro. So since I just got this new GoPro, and I have this camera, I'm trying to make it all so that it can fit inside of my backpack right here. I have this thing, which is just like this little camera bag that I want to try and stuff everything into, and then see if it fits in my backpack. If it does, great. If it doesn't, well, I'll go and buy another bag somewhere. Then I'm going to show you kind of like what's in my backpack just on a daily basis, and why I kind of take it everywhere with me. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so now that I have everything kind of organized and put away, I'm going to show you everything that I keep inside of my backpack in 2025. So first thing that I keep in my backpack, and it's one of my favorite things I keep in here, is a nice screwdriver. Alright, this thing's helped me out a shit ton in the past. If you don't have one in your backpack, I highly recommend just fucking stuffing one over there. It's great. I keep my keys over in this side of the pocket. And opening up the front part of the backpack, inside of the top, I've got a deck of playing cards. You never know when you'll need them. I got a lighter. This is mainly for Bailey. Keep a couple pens in here, might as well. And then I got this super nice knife that we found in the Outer Banks. It's actually pretty fucking cool. I mean, look at that thing. Alright, next thing I got in here is some random keys that I have no fucking clue what they go to. And then I keep a Swiss Army knife in case I need any of the tools on it. And then down towards the bottom of the bag, keep some deodorant, some Old Spice. Bear Glove's the best, most nostalgic. I keep some cologne. I don't really know what this is, but it smells good as fuck, and I love wearing that shit. And because I have so much camera gear, I always carry these two things with me. They're just 2 portable charging banks, and they actually last a long ass time. And I'm kind of surprised. Like, both of these together should get me through the entire day with my phone and my camera. And that's pretty much all I keep inside of the front part of the backpack. Inside of the top part, I keep my iPad. This thing has actually come in handy so many fucking times, it's crazy. I ended up buying one for Bailey, and while I bought it for Bailey, I was like, well, I'm already here, fuck it, I might as well just buy one for me. And I didn't think this thing was going to be so useful, but I'm on this thing all the time. I use this thing more than my computer just because it's so fucking easy to use. I edit videos on this thing, I edit pictures, I draw on this thing, I keep notes on this. It's basically like a fucking 10-in-1. And then next up, down here, I keep my camera bag, which is literally what I just organized. My bag just fell down. I just organized this thing. I'm going to show you what I keep in this. So inside the top, I have my GoPro Hero 11 over here. This is what I've been recording most of my videos on, just because it's so lightweight and so easy to just take around with me. I want to get 2 lav mics for it, but they're really fucking expensive. So I just keep that over there. On this side, I have a charging block for my DSLR, and over on this side I keep this like GoPro switch thing that I've never used in my life, and I'll probably never use it. And this big spot is where my DSLR camera goes. It fits pretty nicely. I got a big Rode mic on the top of it, and both of them actually fit pretty nicely in there. And then inside of this front pouch, I keep all my accessories. So like I have GoPro mounts in here, I got their clamps, sticky clamp things, which these are actually really fucking useful. I didn't know how useful these were going to be until I started using them. They basically just like kind of clip into each other, and they're fucking great. I have side doors for my GoPro in here. I think I got like 2 of them. And then I have this, which this is my GoPro Max lens. It's just kind of in the case. I still haven't really found a reason to use this thing. I kind of just use like the wide angle on the GoPro if I have to, but I keep it in here just because. And then I have an ND filter for my DSLR. I basically use this if it's really bright outside and it makes the image quality look like 10 times better. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I keep in my bag on a day-to-day basis. I try not to keep my bags too heavy because I don't want to lug around fucking 20 pounds of shit every day. But yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to show you today. So, yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.